In this quick Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create waves. Let's start with a simple example. First, draw a line on your canvas. Of course, you can make any Illustrator object wavy, not just lines. Okay. Once you have your line, go ahead and increase the stroke size to make it more visible. Next, you need to select the line or object by clicking on it. Now let's add some effects to make it wavy. Go to the Effect menu, choose Distort and Transform, and then select the zigzag option. This turns your line into a zigzag shape. You can adjust the size to get the look you want. But to transform this zigzag line into a smooth wave, there's a small tweak. In the points area of the zigzag effect, click on Smooth. This will smooth out the zigzag into a wave-like form. You can also control the frequency of the wave to get your desired effect. I want to keep this tutorial short and to the point, so that's essentially how you make waves in Illustrator. Remember, this technique can be applied to other shapes as well, like rectangles, but here we're just covering the basics of wave creation in Illustrator.